everybody, today I am making Capirotada, Mexican bread pudding. While I gather all my ingredients, I am going to give you a little bit of history on Capirotada. Capirotada was invented in the year 1500 in Spain. Capirotada traveled the world along with Spanish conquistadores that spread religion and the Spanish culture. Capirotada symbolizes the passion of the Christ during Lent season. Capirotada is a reminder of the suffering of Christ on Good Friday. The cloves represent the nails, the syrup represents the blood, the bread represents the body, the cheese represents the holy shroud, and the cinnamon represents the wood of the cross. So there you go, a little bit of history on Capirotada. 522 years later, we're still doing this delicious dish as a dessert, especially on Good Friday. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. Okay, so it's time to add the bread. And then we're going to sprinkle with some brown sugar, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients.